SmartDraw helps plumbers create professional plumbing plans for residential, commercial, remodel, and service work without needing complex CAD software. They help speed up estimates and prevent mistakes in the field. Create walls, add fixtures, draw pipes, and drag and drop industry-standard symbols to complete your design. SmartDraw has an extensive collection of plumbing-related symbols, including fixtures, valves, pumps, water heaters, and more. You can easily scale any component of your plan just by typing in your desired dimensions. Take the complexity out of creating precise plans. You don't need to redraw or start from scratch if you already have a floor plan or existing blueprint. Import a PDF or image into SmartDraw and set its scale. Use this as the foundation and layer your own plumbing design on top. Attach data to any symbol and generate a material list instantly. Add information about pipe types, pipe diameter, fixture model numbers, valve types, cost, and more. Then, generate a bill of materials directly from the drawing for purchasing or quoting. Layers let you separate your drawing into distinct views and focus on the system you're working on. You can create a floor plan and then manage your plumbing layout, electrical plan, and HVAC information separately, and make edits without affecting other parts of your plan. Use a scale-independent annotation layer to keep track of information like your company details, proposal date, client, and other information. SmartDraw lets you move beyond the layout with project charts and timelines that will keep your plumbing project on schedule. Manage multiple jobs at once by tracking which homes are ready for rough-ins, which jobs are waiting on materials, and which are ready to finish and have final inspections. Track milestones like pressure tests, inspections, and fixture installs, and coordinate with other trades like framing, electrical, cabinets, and more. Share your diagram with anyone with a link, even if they don't own a copy of SmartDraw. And generate polished PDFs for prospects, permit submissions, inspections, field crews, and maintenance records.